So since we've checked and noticed that we have in as the suffix and as the functional group, what next do we do? I think it's time for us to assign number to the prefix. But before that, let's quickly write out the substituents. We have chloro and bromo here as a substituent. Okay, so is our what? We have chloro and we have what? Bromo. All right, chloro and bromo. All right, so what next do we do? We assign number towards the prefix. All right, how do we do that? Straight to the point. We count to favor the functional group. Okay, if we count from here, this is the functional group OH, the all. Okay, if we count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the functional group is going to get 4. But if we count from here 1, the functional group is going to get 1. Okay, because it will now be bonded to the first carbon from where we are counting from. So we are going to write it as 1 all. 1 all. So writing it as 1 all, we continue with our counting. We count 1, 2. At number 2, we have chloro. So we are going to say 2 chloro. 2 chloro. We continue the counting. 3. At number 3, carbon 3, we have what? Bromo. That's 3 bromo. Bromo. Then number 4, nothing again, you don't finish. So let's rearrange this and put this prefix in, alphabetical order. C and B, which one come first? Now B now. So we are going to say 3 bromo, comma, how many chloro? 2 chloro, comma. The parent chain is what? The parent chain is boot. Okay, boot. Boot what? Boot. The suffix is A. We are not going to remove this EN and replace it with all. Okay, boot 1 all. Boot 1 all and 1 all and all is the same thing. So we just put boot a null. Okay, boot a null. This is correct. If you still say 2 bromo, sorry, if you still say 3 bromo, 2 chloro, boot 1 all, it's still the same thing. It's still correct. It's the same compound. All right, let's move on to the next question. This one is question 12. Okay, question 12. What we have here. Looking at what we have here, we first of all write out the what? The parent chain. That's the longest continuous carbon to carbon chain. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. What is 5? 5 is pent. All right, pent. So what else do we do? We find if we have any functional group there. Do we have any functional group? Yes, we have double bond, which is A. FG is what? Is the in. Sorry, in is the in. Okay, the in. That's the alkenes. All right. So what next? Do we have substituents? Yes, we have various substituents. We have methyl, various methyl. There, 3 methyls here. Okay. We also have what? Chloro. So we are going to write our sub. Will now be what? We have methyl, and we have what? Chloro. Okay. Do we have any other thing again? Yes, the suffix. Okay. What's our suffix? What's now going to make up our suffix? Okay. What is going to make up our suffix will now be this. Okay. So this, our functional group, is what's going to make up our suffix. ENE. That's what makes up our suffix. All right. So the next thing now is to assign numbers to the what? The functional group and the what? The substituent. Where do we have the functional group at? We have it here, double bond. And we are going to number to favor the double bond. If you number from right to left, that's from here to here, we are going to get 1, 2. Can you see? Is assigned number 2. But if you number from here to here, that's from left to right, you are going to get 1, 2, 3. That's, we now assign it 3. Which one is lesser? 2 and 3. It's 2. So we are going to start all the numbering that we are doing here. We are going to number everything from here. That's 1, 2, 2. What do we have there? 2 chloro. Remember, the functional group we go with 2. Let's write it first. 2 in. So 1, 2, 2 chloro, 2 chloro. What do we have next there again? We also have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we also have another chloro again for the third one. So we can't say 2 chloro, 3 chloro. No. What we are going to do, we are going to put everything together. So we are not going to say, rather, we will say 2, since the first chloro is in number 2, the second chloro is in number 3. We are not going to say 2 3. Can you see? 2 3 dichloro. Since it's 2 chloro, dichloro. So 2 3 dichloro. Dichloro. Okay, 2 3 dichloro. Then what next again? We have methyl here. Where do we have the methyl? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have methyl number 4. And we have dimethyl. 4 dimethyl. If you count to 5 now, you see we still have another methyl there again. You can't say 4 dimethyl, 5 methyl. No. We put everything together. So we'll now say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Because we have methyl up and we have methyl down, it will now be 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the second one. 4, 4. Dimethyl. But since we have another methyl here, we'll not complete it as dimethyl. We'll now say 1, 2, 3, 4 for 1. That's the first 4. 4, comma. Then you count the second one again. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the second one, which is another 4 again, comma. We still have another methyl again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, How many methyl in total? 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Trimethyl. Alright. So we have to rearrange everything now. Alright. So rearranging everything, we are now going to have in alphabetical order. We have 2,3-dichloro. Okay. So that's what we are going to do. 2,3-dichloro will be the first. 2,3-dichloro, comma 4,4,5. 4,4,5 dimethyl. Is it dimethyl or trimethyl? Sorry. Trimethyl. Tri means 3, di means 2. Alright. Trimethyl what? What do we have? The suffix is in. The parent chain is what? Is pent. What do we do first? First of all, PC, which is parent chain, longest continuous chain, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. 6 is what? 6 is hex. Okay. Then what next? Do we have any functional group here? Yes, we have functional group, which is what? OH. And OH is the what? All. Functional group equal to what? All. Okay. And what next? Do we have any substituents? Yes, we have substituents. The first substituent here is iodine. Okay. Which is what? Iodine. See? We call it iodo. Sub. We have iodo. And we also have what? We have methyl. Okay. Dimethyl. We have dimethyl. That's since it's 2 methyl, we have dimethyl. Let me just be doing everything fast. Okay. So the next thing to do is to what? To assign number to the substituent and to functional group. First of all, since we have functional group OH, we have to favor the functional group. So we start numbering from right to left to see which number will small pass. If we start here 1, 2, 3, we are going to assign 3 to the what? The OH. If we number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to assign 4 to the OH. Which one is smaller? We pick 3. So we are going to use 3. That's 3 all. Alright? So we continue. We continue with the numbering. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we have what? Iodine, which is iodo. We have 3 iodo, comma. Then we continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here now, at the fifth, we now have dimethyl, 2 methyl up and down. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay? 5 double methyl, 5. So we are now going to put it 5 look at it, dimethyl. Okay? Dimethyl. So it's time to put everything together. Okay? Putting everything together, we are now going to have, first of all, we put it in alphabetical order since we have different substituents. Remember, the alphabetical order matter. It's not this di we are using in the alphabet. It's the what? The substituent itself that we are using. We are using methyl, not di. Okay? We are using methyl, not di. So we use M instead of D. So which one comes first? I and M. Which one? You will see it before for alphabetical order. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So I. So you are going to have 3 iodo, comma. The next here is 5 dimethyl. 5 dimethyl. Okay? 5 dimethyl what? What's the parent chain? Hex. What should be the suffix? The suffix is the what? The functional group. Okay? The functional group. And what's the functional group? Look at it here. 3 all. Hex 3 all. Okay? So this is it. Hex 3 all. 3 iodo, 5 dimethyl, hex 3 all. That is the name of this what? Organic compound. Alright, I said I was going to teach you how to condense formulas. So that if you see condensed formula, you go feel, you can use it to, So, let's condense this formula. This particular formula we have here. Let's condense it. Okay? If you want to condense this formula, we just condense everything and you can still expand it. So you have CH3 here, you put it down, CH3. That's carbon atom bonded to 3 hydrogen atom. Alright? Then you also have what? You have C in the middle. You have double CH3. So you are not going to do it like this. You are not going to do it like this. C, bracket open, CH3, bracket close. Because we have double CH3 here, you now put 2 here. That's times 2. You will now do what? What do we have here? CH. Alright, CH2. What next? We have C, we have iodine, we have what? OH. So what we are going to do, you are going to put C, you are going to put what? I, then OH. Okay, OH. Alright, you are going to put OH in brackets. Alright, C bonded to I, OH. Then what next do we have here? We have CH2. What do we have here? We have CH3. So this one is the condensed formula. Alright, this is the word condensed formula. If we have a structure such as this, for example, C, you have H here, you have OH here, you have H 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 here. And to condense this, C bonded to 1, 2, 3, CH3, C, here we have C here, bonded to H and OH. We are now going to put it as what? CH, okay? We now put what? OH. Can you see? Then what next again? We have CH2. C bonded to 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, CH2. What next? Okay, it's not CH2, it's CH3 now. CH3. C bonded to 3 hydrogen atom. Okay, 3. So this is the condensed formula. So you can as well expand this thing back. Okay, if you want to expand it back, just follow the same rule. Okay, CH3, you do CH3, C bonded to 3H, bonded to 3H, bonded to 3H. What next? You have CH, you bond them, give am C, give am 1H for up, give am 1H for down. What next do you have? You have bonded to, you have bonded to OH. Okay, C bonded, okay, this thing is wrong. It's supposed to be COH. Eh? It's supposed to be COH, not CHOH, alright? It's supposed to be COH. So it's going to be, since you have COH here, it's going to be C. It's correct, I beg. It's correct. CHOH is correct. So CH, C bonded to H, then C also bonded to OH. So this is how you put it. Then you bond again. What do we have next? We have CH3. CH3. H, and H. So we have expanded it. It's the same thing. So with this, we have come to the end of Iupac nomenclature of organic compounds. Let's now treat Iupac nomenclature of complex ions.